Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question, which is saying that let f be an injective function. Okay. So these guys are talking about the word injective function. So first, try to understand that the one function is called as injective function. Okay. This you have to keep in your mind. Now, now look at this. With domain xyz, range 1 2 3, such that exactly one of the following statement is correct and remaining are false. Great. So one is true, remaining is false. And we have three situations, this, and this. So suppose that case 1 statement 1 is true. So f of x is true. F of x equals to 1 is true. This means f of y not equal to 1 has to be false. So they are saying that f of y cannot be 1. So false will be what? It will be f of y equal to 1. Then they are saying that f of z cannot be equal to 2. Then false of this will become what? Means opposite of this will become what? F of z will be equal to 2. So if you will observe, the many input is giving you same output. So this is many one function. Okay, many one function. Now go with the second case 2. Suppose that first statement, this statement is true. So f of y not equal to 1. This is true. So f of y can be equal to what? 2, or f of y can be equal to what? 3. है ना? Now this is true. So this means this is, wait, I'll play with this first. This means this would be false, means f of z is equal to 2. F of z is equal to 2. Correct na? Now focus on f of x. So f of x means what? This cannot be equal to, like opposite of this will become what? Not equal to 1. So not equal to 1 means what? Either 2 or 3. So I can go with f of x equals to 2 or f of x equals to 3. So if it is 2, again it is many one function. If it is 3, again it is many one function. Okay, so this means in this case we are getting many one function. Okay, now go with f of x. So f of x is coming out to be what? It is, they are saying it is equal to 1. So not true means what? F of x is equal to 2 or 3. So if you will take f of x as 2, these two x and z will give you same output 2. If you will take 3, this y and x will give you same output 3. So this is also many one case. This means case 2 is also not true. Now we have to rely on case 3. Case 3 means what? This is true and this is false. So f of z not equal to 2 means what? This is true. So true means f of z will be equal to 1 or f of z will be equal to 3. Correct? Now this has to be false. False means what? F of y to be 1, and the moment f of y becomes 1, it will become many one function na. Correct or wrong? If f of y becomes, you know that f of y we got as 1, then it will become false. So this case will become many one. So this has to be rejected. Now you know that f of, wait, I'll keep that one, leave. So f of x, you know that this has to be false, so either 2 or 3, but the moment I will take x as 2, if I will take x f of x as 3, it will become anyone, but if I will take f of x as 2, it will become what? 1 1 function, correct? So here we got 1 1 function. Now we have to find out what? F inverse 1. So F inverse 1 means what? Why? This means what will be the input if output is 1? Inverse means the reciprocal, means reverse function. Okay, so the answer becomes Y. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.